Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Do you want to work online from home? Then what's the daily today? Today I tell you about a legal company that invests your money in a safe way. Do you want to invest your money so you will get a high returns? The time has come. If you can make a lot of profit, let me tell you about one such company, Veerabatira Promoter Limited. This company has good names earned in the market, import and export. Now it's going to open a foreign branch in the market. In the next part, I am going to tell you the business plan of the Veerabatira. Now comes to the legal points. These are the company legal documents, the certifications, bank details, and this company is registered in the government institutions. This is the company homepage. You can see the here about this business plan, service, legal and register. You can directly click on the register for login and sign up in the Veerabatira. This is the sign up form. You can see here name, email address, mobile number, password and confirm password. And the next page is Aadhaar, sponsor ID, sponsor name automatically will get, select placement, ePIN password and package amount. Then register. You will get a message of ID and password. That ID password you will feed here, username and password, and login you will get enter into the login panel. And now come to the business. This is the forex and commodity trading business. Elaichi dry fruit import and exports, textile sari import exports. Now upcoming projects is that the electricity power plant government project, Veerabatira Insurance Life General Health. The Veerabatira also going to launch a branch in the foreign. Now come to the about the business of Veerabatira. Elaichi dry fruits, import and exports work in the Veerabatira. Now come to second business, import exports of the textiles, saris. Now come to the points of income generation. There are total 7 types of packages: silver 5,000, gold 10,000, pearl 25,000, ruby 50,000, emerald 1 lakh, platinum 2.5 lakhs, diamond 5 lakhs ka. And ROI is 1.5%, sponsor income is 0.5%, matching income is 5%. You will get lot of profit from here. Now come to the ROI income, 200% profit in 150 days. Now 7 package ROI system here. Silver 5,000 cost 75 rupees up to 150 days. Total income 11,250. Gold package 10,000 150 rupees 150 days. Total income 22,500 rupees. Pearl income 25,000 rupees package 375 up to 150 days. Total income 56,250. Same income generate for ruby, emerald, platinum, diamond. The diamond cost package is 5 lakh rupees. Total income 7,500 rupees up to 150 days. Total income 11 lakh 25,000 rupees. Now come to the next income. Referral income. When you refer someone with a package cost, you will get the commission according to that package, which is shown in the chart. Now come to silver package, 5,000 rupees cost, referral commission 25 rupees up to 70 days. Total income you will get 1,750. For gold 10,000 package, you will get 50 rupees up to 70 days. Total income 3,500 rupees. For pearl 25,000 rupees package, total referral commission income 125 up to 70 days, you will get 8,750. Similar to the ruby package, emerald package, platinum and diamond. Now the diamond is the 5 lakh rupees package. You will get the referral commission 2,500 rupees up to 70 days. The total income is the 1,75,000. This is the maximum package and referral maximum commission here you will get. And for more understanding, you will see the chart and see the income, how many days you will get the income completely. Now come to the binding commission here. Package silver 5,000 rupees. The binding commission is 250 rupees. Capping limit is here 10 times of the binding commission 2,500 rupees. And for gold 10,000 rupees package, binding commission is the 500 rupees and capping limit is 5,000. For pearl 25,000 rupees package, binding commission is 1,250 and you will get the capping here 1,250 rupees. Similar for the ruby, emerald, platinum, the diamond package is the 5 lakh rupees, binding commission is 25,000 and you will get here the capping limit is 1 lakh. Same capping limit is the 1 lakh for the platinum also. This is the complete chart of the binding income commissions. Now come to the next chart, terms and conditions, friends. Joining is only for the cash pin, PAN number, Aadhaar number, bank account, IFSC code will be need here. The first ROI bonus will be count from the next working days for every purchase. Binary eligibility limit here, 2 direct referral will be must. ROI referral calculated will be daily basis, weekly once credit on Monday only. Binary income daily calculated, daily credited. ROI referral binary, all income will be transferred only through bank account. For ROI referral withdrawal, 15% will be deducted as service charge, 10% including TDS 5%. For binary withdrawal, 10% will be deducted as a service charge, 5% including TDS 5%. Customer can create a account with valid PIN card, one PAN card, only one ID. These are the terms and conditions, friends. Note one by one these conditions, how much the amount will be deducted and paid to your account directly, and check the condition of binary. These are the main condition of this plan. This is the best income generating plan. All details are mentioned in the screen. You can also check the description. Thank you so much, friends.